Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian, and it's an unboxing video, as you would have seen from the description. Little pre-order. I didn't have any money to spend, sadly, but I did have some product credits to spend from Stamping Up, so for getting recruits during celebration. So I've spent those, and this is what I've got. Let's start off with a fun thing, shall we? Cling stamp set for the record. I love this. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this, I think. And yeah, it's our red rubber. There we go. Beautiful. I don't stick the stickers on. Yeah, so that was the first thing. Second thing is another fun one. Happy hedgehogs. This is photopolymer, so you can see through them like that. I do like this idea of Stamping Up, actually. You could take the stamps off this acetate sheet and put them here. Sheet? Put them there instead. But you can kind of see, I tend to keep mine on the original sheets. But that's fun, and it comes with a matching punch as well. This is this little beauty. Assuming I can find the bit to open it. There we go. Oh right. Oh, no, I like that. It's nicely separated. Look. So you can put one piece of cardstock in there just to do the accent colour, and the other piece in there. I like that idea. It's nice. Yeah. Works. That's lovely. So I'll put that over there. It's probably out of shot now, but hey ho. And the next thing was a suite. Well, it would have been a suite if everything was available. Sadly, it wasn't. I'm just looking at the catalogue just to make sure I get the right name. I should have made a note of this before. I do apologise. Oh, here we go. The suite is New Horizons, and but sadly, the design series paper for it is not available during the pre-order. I don't know whether they'd already sold out because I was quite late doing my pre-order, or whether it's not coming to stock yet. Looking at the website, it gives me a date of the 10th of January. So this is what I've got so far. These are the pebbles. Pebbles enamel shapes. What do you think to those? Let me stand up. They're quite cute, aren't they? You get 2 cotton ribbon combo pack. It doesn't say what colours they are. Is it printed on the rolls? No, it isn't. Back to the catalogue again. I'll leave those where you can see them. So sorry. Sweet, there we go. The ribbon colours are Misty Moonlight and Petal Pink. I do like Misty Moonlight. There you go, that's the ribbons. Beautiful. You get a stamp set called On the Horizon. This is a cling stamp set. So once again our red rubber. There we go. Beautiful. Thinking of you. Thanks for everything. Relax and enjoy your day. Lovely. And that does come with a die set called Horizon Dies. So let's have a look at those, shall we? So we have some, it's like a picket fence, is it? That cuts out that, I'm guessing. And then there's some kind of landscape pieces. So looks quite interesting. And quite fun. So I should be looking forward to demonstrating these. Has that gone in? That's not gone in, has it? I don't know. But yeah, so not a lot, as I say. But I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye.